Okay, today we discuss about fertilization. Fertilization process is discovered by Transberger. Okay, in fertilization, many things or many events are takes place. Okay, pollination already done. We see the different types of pollination and different agencies of pollination. Then after pollination, that means pollen grains move towards stigma. Then first step is pollen pistil interaction. Okay, pollen pistil interaction means this is stigma and this is pollen. When pollen come onto a stigma secretes some secretion. This secretion contain water and sugar, and this secretion is absorbed by this pollen through germ pores. Okay, these are germ pores, and due to this absorption the pollen tubes arise from pollen grains. Generally only one pollen tube is arise, but sometimes many pollen tubes are arise, but only one pollen tube insert into the stigma and other pollen tubes degenerate. Okay, this first pollen pistil interaction. Then next step is germination of pollen grains. Then when pollen tube arise, we see two types of stigma, it is hollow stigma and solid stigma. When pollen tube arise, this pollen tube insert into the stigma, and during this or before this tube formation, this generative cell undergo mitotic division. Okay, and due to mitotic division, from one cell two cells are formed, that is these are two male gametes are formed. Okay, and these two male gametes are haploid, and these two male gametes with the help of this pollen tube move towards the ovule or egg. Okay, in hollow tube this pollen tube inserted itself and easily, but in solid there are cells of some cells are present in style and stigma, and this pollen tube pushing these cells inserted or moves towards the egg. Okay, then there are three types of pollen tubes move towards egg. For example, see this pollen tube. If this pollen tube inserts through chalaza, okay, then this process is known as chalazogamy. Okay, but sometimes this tube may be inserted through integuments. If goes through or insert through integument, this is known as mesogamy. But generally this pollen tube inserted through micropyle. Okay, and this type is known as porogamy. In most of flowers porogamy processes takes place. That means this pollen tube inserted or goes to up to the egg through micropyle. This is chalaza end and this is micropyle end. Okay, when tube insert through micropyle pore, this process is known as porogamy, and in most flowers porogamy takes place. Okay, then when pollen tube inserted through micropyle, that is porogamy. In pollen tubes there are some cells present or plugs are formed. These plugs are known as callose plug, and these callose plug prevent the backflow of male gametes. Okay, then these nucellus cells, this is egg, and these two are synergids. Okay, and both known as egg apparatus. Okay, this is pollen tube and these are two male gametes. Okay, when this pollen tube come up to the embryo sac or through this egg sac, that time between two synergid one becomes degenerate. Let's see here, this is embryo sac, this is egg, and these are two synergids. From these two synergids, one synergid get degenerate, and this filiform apparatus help to insert the pollen tube or insert the male gametes inside the embryo sac. Okay, here after this filiform apparatus, this break the embryo sac and these two male gametes enter into the embryo sac. These are antipodals. Okay, these two are polar nuclei. Okay, first gamete, this is first male gamete. This first male gamete fuse with egg. Okay, first male gamete fuse with egg, male gamete also haploid, egg also haploid to form zygote, and this zygote is diploid, and this zygote gives rise embryo, it is also diploid. Okay, then this is first fertilization. Okay, and this second male gamete, fuse with these two polar nuclei, and these polar nuclei also haploid. Okay, two polar nuclei, N plus N, and this second male gamete, this fusion gives rise primary endosperm, and this is triploid. Okay, because this end, and this second also haploid together form triploid body, that is primary endosperm, and this due to this triploid it is known as triple fusion. And both this first fertilization and this is second fertilization, these two are known as double fertilization. Okay, in this way fertilization takes place.